here comes the sun.
Hey there, stargazers. I'm James Albury, director of the Kika Silva Pla Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida.
And I'm Dean Regas, astronomer from the Cincinnati Observatory.
And I'm Marlene Hidalgo, science teacher from Miami, Florida. Although it may not be obvious, the sun appears to be getting a bit wider each day. It will look its widest on Saturday, January 4th at 7 a.m. Eastern Time.
Wider, but why? Because our Earth's orbital path is not a perfect circle, and the sun is not at the center of that imperfect circle. We actually use the word ellipse to describe the shape of the Earth's orbit. The Earth's distance from the sun changes as it orbits the sun. Our Earth is getting closer to the sun each and every day through Saturday, January 4th, when it will reach its closest point, what we call perihelion.
This is all good information, but it's not something we can actually see with our eyes from our backyard. So let's back up a bit and talk about what we can see with just our eyes.
We can actually watch the sun rise, even though some of us might not want to. But what do we mean exactly when we say sunrise?
By sunrise, we mean the precise moment when the first visible piece of sun appears above the horizon. You can actually specify the time of sunrise to the exact second.
Let's zoom in super close on the sun and the horizon so we can better see what we're talking about. Let's have Rob make the horizon transparent so we can see right through it. And bingo, there's the sun.
That sun is a lot bigger than the one I see in the sky.
Yeah, I know, but we're exaggerating to make a point.
Here's the sun on January 4th, just about to pop over the horizon. Now let's advance one day at the same time and watch what happens. January 4th, and then January 5th. Back to the 4th, and forward to the 5th. Notice the sun rises a tiny bit, but it moves a good bit to the left.
Now let's advance another day. Same time, January 6th. Back to the 5th, same time, back to the 4th, same time. See what's happening? As each day goes by, the sun is rising a bit earlier and a bit farther to the left.
This is what you can actually see with your own eyes in your own backyard. This is what the real sun is actually doing. Let's go ahead day by day, same time for about 2 weeks and see what happens. January 4th,
5th,
6th,
7th,
8th,
9th,
10th,
11th,
12th,
13th,
14th.
15th.
and on. January 16th, the sun is now completely above the horizon and
Quite a bit to the left of where it was on January 4th when the sun was completely below the horizon.
This is what the sun is actually doing, and you can observe this for yourself from your own backyard. Be sure to look at the same clock time each day.
What if I don't want to get up before dawn? I mean, don't we have something at sunset for more normal people like me next week?
aha, I've thought of that already. And we have just the ticket for all you sundowners. Let's face east just after sunset, and brilliant Jupiter is just rising. Jupiter will get a bit higher each night and will have a beautiful scoochie with the moon on January 14th.
Before you get too carried away with Jupiter, be sure to look into the southwest no more than an hour after sunset and catch Venus as it prepares to leave the evening sky. Venus has been our evening star for much of the past year, but will very quickly switch to become the morning star.
Venus usually takes about 2 months to switch from morning star to evening star, but not so going the other way. On Thursday, January 9th and Friday the 10th, you may be able to catch Venus as evening star and then as the morning star the very next day. To see this, you'll need clear skies,
And luck.
no clouds,
And luck.
a clear flat horizon, binoculars, and
A lot of luck.
But you'll never know unless you keep looking up.